We're about Central Phuket Mall, big mall.
Whoa. Have you shopped something? Have you shopped something from the Central Phuket? Is it like a place where you get Gucci's and Louis Vuittons?
I think you can get everything here, and it's all air conditioning.
Oh, nice. Is it like the Dubai Mall?
I think Dubai is everything is better, but you have Gucci over here. and Louis Vuitton.
Okay. There's someone I met today. She asked me which is the best place to shop because I'm heading home. I didn't know that Central Phuket Mall existed, so I didn't suggest her to go. I just told her, you wander around. There's so many night street markets. You get whatever you need.
Do you have this macro in India?
No, we don't. We have something called. We have something called the autos, which is like the tuk-tuk but smaller. Generally, people 5 years before now, people used to drive in the autos. People used to take the autos as taxis. But as we have a lot of transportation applications like Uber and other applications, people are preferring cabs over small tuk-tuks back in Hyderabad. And even the state where I come from, they have made free buses for women. So I think these auto drivers are kind of struggling because they are not able to fetch business. I met an auto driver. He told they were golden days where they can earn around just say $25 per day, as profits, and they can save it up. They can also utilize it for their rentals, for their family thing, because $25 in a day, I think it's a good price. $25-50 in a day profit. You save. You are able to pay your rents. You are able to send your children to school. You are able to feed your family. But right now even they're struggling because technology moves so fast that nobody's safe today. You never know when you can get fired from your job, because technology is making everything so simple that you don't need manpower. Few years from now we will have robots operating, robots farming, robots operating the entire industries. We'll be living in the future very soon, my friend.
We are in the future.
We're not yet.
This is so nice without all these tourists.
Yeah, it's pretty calm, peaceful. I would actually, if I had a girlfriend, I would actually take her on a night drive in this roads. It's that cool, a pretty girl hugging you. You're exploring a little bit of the world. It sounds kind of romantic. I'm not sure. I haven't been in love so far. For the movies, yes. For the movies, I can write a script with something like this, which might look romantic in the frame, but I haven't experienced love. What do you think? How do you enjoy the road so far?
I like it that there's no traffic.
That's the best part. That's the best part.
It's quiet.
Yeah.
We're 10 minutes away. Still quiet.
It's still quiet, man. I thought we'll be exploring the Patong beach today, but hopefully we'll do it tomorrow because I have to wake up early in the morning tomorrow.
Why do you want to do that?
Because I want to meet the majestic elephants, which are rescued from the circuses here in Thailand. I want to spend some time with an elephant. Such a beautiful beast, man. They don't eat with their hands, they eat with their trunks. They're just having good time eating fruits and food. this is the best part of the ride, don't you think? We are going
Very
to.
windy.
Yeah, very windy, and I think we are going uphill. Is this the same part? Are we going uphill?
Not yet.
So it's just a 5 minutes drive or something like that. I think you have a future here, my friend. I think you can be a great
No, I don't
rap
like it. This
bold
is like-
driver.
this is Las Vegas.
I think you can be a great bold driver.
This is like Las Vegas, bro.
If I'm coming next to Thailand, I'm going to book the Grab from you. I'm going to book the Bolt from you. I'm like looking for this.
Well, you can always become my limo driver.
Do you have a limo, though?
Well, what do you want to drive?
I think I would enjoy driving a Ferrari, but it has to be
No.
mine. It has to be mine.
No, you can drive it here. I'll buy you a Mercedes so you can drive me.
Mercedes is already in my checklist. I'm kind of saving my money for Mercedes.
Sitting in the back.
You can sit wherever you want, but you know Mercedes is like it's like something
sure
I'm
you're a good
getting very
driver.
soon. Fast and Furious. There is a bad guy. What is his name?
I don't watch.
Let me remember the name of the movie. I don't remember it. So fuck it. This tuk-tuk is actually like ambulance. You know, you see ambulance with this
It's a
and
party bus, bro.
yeah, but this looks like an ambulance, red color.
It's a party bus.
Whoa, we are going uphill, man. We are going uphill.
Are you holding on to something?
It's okay. So you
Hold on to the handle, bro.
yeah. So you were saying you are going to get me a Ferrari Spider, aren't you?
No. Mercedes so you can drive me around.
Mercedes is basic, my friend.
S-Class. That's comfortable for me.
Get me a Ferrari. Gift me a Ferrari.
Why would I get you a Ferrari to drive me around in a Ferrari?
I'm not going to drive you around even if you gift me a Ferrari. I'm going to drive my girl around. I'm going to find a good girl, and I'm going to drive her around in the Ferrari. I'll drive you around in my personal
I'm not
Mercedes.
paying for that shit. I don't believe in gifts. You going to church with me tomorrow?
Now I'm going to meet the elephants tomorrow, bro. I just have tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and that's it. I'm checking out on.
Tuesday you check out?
Yeah, I'm checking out on 10th. Actually forgot because there was a little confusion with the time zones and all. So I just didn't add 11th on 11th. So I'm just moving out on 10th. I might spend my time in the airport, in the Phuket airport. I might tell about you in the vlog how wonderful of a friend you were to me, how nice person you were to me. This is once in a lifetime, friend.
We'll see if you learn anything. Look at that, Phuket City.
Whoa, it's getting a little
Look
crowded.
at that, Patong City.
Where is it?
In front of us. That's Patong City. We're staying at Patong Beach.
Patong. What do you think Patong means anyway?
I don't know, no idea.
Are you here for the good time? Just for the good time the city offers you?
In fact, I have a fight on Monday with this guy from India.
Oh yeah. I think I'll watch it online.
There's a whole YouTube video, bro.
Yeah, I'll watch it on live stream.
Your own channel.
My channel, my fight. Are you talking about our fight?
Yeah.
Oh, I need to get prepared for that. I don't want to get.
Do you already have a channel?
How much are you paying me for the fight? For me to get beaten up. This is like the Mike Tyson and the Logan Paul fight.
We're both putting in $1,000, so the winner takes $2,000.
$2,000
Yeah.
American?
Yes, but we each put in 1,000.
I don't have $2,000 left. I just have 1,000 bahts left, man.
That's not enough.
I'll tell you a good story. If you win, if I win, give me $5,000. Yeah. I told you I'm a good businessman. I told you I'm a good negotiator. Negotiator, yeah.
We're back.
Go back to Patong.
What is he doing? Hey, even Patong is quiet. Look, quiet tonight.
Yeah.
That's crazy, man. What's going on, bro?
It's kind of surprising today. Everywhere we see in Patong, there's nothing.
Saturday night.
Yeah, Saturday has to be on fire, man.
Yeah, alive. Look, this sucks.
Patong, today it's silent.
What happened to this city? For 3 days it was crazy.
We
Quiet.
also didn't go to the fight. You promised me today that you
Yeah,
know.
we'll go tomorrow. How was I supposed to know fights finish early here?
It's Saturday, bro. Even
I
if
thought we were gonna come home like at 2 a.m.
yeah, even if the fight goes on till early in the morning, people will still be here to watch the fight. Oh, we are here, bro.
Yeah, but it's quiet here as well.
Yeah, it's quiet, but you know, the last day when we made a vlog together, even that day was pretty crowded, I believe.